how to convert Figma design to HTML and CSS. Hello and welcome to our channel WebWiz. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can convert your Figma design to HTML and CSS. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So Figma is a website where you can create web pages or also some designs or animations. For instance, I found these rock, paper, scissors from the community, and this is like an animation, okay, and so on. But what if you need the HTML and CSS? So you're gonna need a plugin into your Figma whose name is figment.so. So with figment.so, you're going to be able to export code straight from Figma. You can get the HTML and CSS code, get a quickly animation code, and export full website code. This is the example or what you're gonna get into your Figma. Also, you can customize your website before publishing, so you can add hover effects to buttons, animate website elements on scroll, insert media like videos and GIFs, and so on. Some other features that you have here with figment.so. So what you need to do is to scroll down and make click on this button, install the Figma plugin. So let's try it out. And you're going to be redirected here into Figma and you're going to make click on run. So now you have figment.so on your Figma. You must log in. So I'm going to log in with my Google account, with the same account that I've created my figma.so. Okay, you're all set. So I guess that if I reload this page, I'm gonna be able to get my Figment in a proper way. Okay, run. Okay, this is it. So in order to use it, you must select an element to edit its properties. So here I'm going to drag and drop and select these items. So this is going to study what have you selected, and you're going to be able to publish to website no code or to export the code of it. Unfortunately, by now, if you want to export this to CSS, you must upgrade, or you can export the full page because HTML is available with full page export. Okay, so I want to check how is the upgrade of it. So the cheaper element, the cheaper plan that you can get is this $24 per month. But if you pay yearly, because if you not pay yearly just a month, you're gonna be paying $29 per month, okay? And also you have a 30-day free trial if you just want to check how is the code that you're gonna get into your computer. But this is the way, this is how you can convert Figma design to HTML and CSS. Thanks for watching.